My name is Miss Althea. I'm so glad that you're all here. You've made today a special day just by being near. So pick your spot, get cozy. It's almost story time. Cecil and I are about to start because that's the end of our rhyme. Hello everyone and welcome to story time. My name is Miss Althea. This is my friend Cecil, and today we are going to be practicing our counting with Stack the Cats by Susie Ghahremani. Please count along with me, either out loud as we count the cats, or you can hold up your fingers. You might need two hands though. There are quite a few kitties in this book. 1. One cat sleeps. 1, 2. 2 cats play. 1, 2, 3. 3 cats stack. 1, 2, 3, 4 cats teeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cats totter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cats prefer 2 stacks, 1, 2, of 3 cats. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's a lot on this page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cats nap. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cats try, but 8 cats tumble. Let's double check we haven't lost any. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, they're all there, and they all look all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cats agree to 3, 3, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cats are just too many. So 1 cat sleeps. 1, 2 cats climb up and away. 1, 2 cats hide, and 1, 2 cats seek, and 3 cats, 1, 2, 3, stack. How will you stack the cats? The end. Thank you for joining and for counting along with Stack the Cats. Until next week or next time at the library, we hope that you have a lovely day.